Okay, petrol heads, you ready? Okay, take it away, chaps. Hold that up. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's Aerostroke. How are we doing? What are we saying? You want to go closer? Smaller gap, come on up. Let's bring this smaller. Let's have a look. You guys are getting up right here. You think you can do it? You get small gaps, alright? I think we can do it. Have a look and see how close you get to this car here. Ready, Paul? 3, 2, 1, away you go! Yeah! Right there! Yeah, it's right in the middle. It is right in the middle. I think we're done. I don't think we can do any closer than that. I think we can do one more. Yes, he's going to do one more. Right, we're not going to do 2, he's going to do 3. Have we got closer? Wow, this is really, really tight.